I'd love to share a resource with you that the teachers have been putting together to help you continue learning over the summer. This was originally planned to be an in-person parent university, but since that's not possible, we decided to go digital and bring you this parent university session board, as well as some resources on a website that will be there all summer long for you. So if you scroll down on the very home page that you're sent, if you want to learn about what summer learning loss is, some ideas for literacy or math, social emotional, learning can be fun, science, social studies, health, community resources, district resources, as well as an awesome opportunity to receive some tutoring over the summer in reading. So those are the sessions that are kind of live webinars that you can watch at your own convenience to hear from faculty, staff, and teachers about some of the opportunities that are available to you. We also, over on the left-hand side, have the web resources that'll be available all summer. So you have some reading resources listed on this tab, areas for students to click and read, as well as some other resources that are below. If you watch the reading webinar, you'll learn more about each resource. There's also math resources available all summer. And again, if you watch the math webinar, you'll learn more about what's in each of these resources. We have a whole collection of science, health, social studies, social emotional resources that are available to you. So there are various web links, there's virtual field trips, there's some articles about behavior and mental health, as well as some safety tips. And again, if you watch the corresponding webinars, you'll learn more about what these individual resources are. We have some awesome community resources here in the Quad Cities. So there's a link to some of the things that our community partners provide, as well as some contact information for them if you're interested. Some of these things are in-person opportunities, while others are virtual or digital that you can access. There's things by the Bettendorf Library, the Davenport Library, Davenport Parks and Rec, the Putnam Museum, the Family Museum, the Figge Art Museum, as well as Bettendorf's Parks and Rec contact information. Beyond that, we also have some district resources that will continue over the summer. We have these awesome library websites that our students are all familiar with from taking library and tech class. We have some family resources and outreach if you're looking for things like meal sites or how to get clothing or help with rent, things like that. You might find those resources here. We have the academic resources that have been sent out during this time of quarantine. So we have our learning boards, we have the additional resources. Here you can see the different tabs, as well as some access to the federal Lifeline program to help get digital devices and services into every household. So again, this is a virtual parent university that is available to you, and it will remain available to you all summer long with some great resources for your own learning, as well as activities for your children. If you have any questions, please contact Lisa Bald at lbald@bettendorf.k12.ia.us.